Is your dryer taking too long to dry? It could be more than just a simple clog. At Dryer Vent Wizard of Will County, we specialize in dryer vent cleaning, repair, and installation to keep your home safe and efficient. Over time, lint and debris can block airflow, causing longer dry times, higher energy bills, and even dangerous dryer fires. Our certified technicians clean deep into your vent system, repair any damage, and install new venting when needed. With professional tools, thorough inspections, and years of experience, we make sure your dryer runs safely and efficiently, giving you peace of mind and lower energy costs. Call us today at 815-215-2090 or visit dryerventwizard.com, locations Will County. For expert dryer vent cleaning, repair, and installation in Tinley Park, Illinois, trust the pros at Dryer Vent Wizard.